Welcome back to another video, guys. Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 well-established REITs with diversified subsectors that have high quality long-term total returns. So stick around to the end because these 5 videos you are going to want to put into your portfolio. So let's get started, guys. The first one right off the bat is Digital Realty Trust Inc., or ticker symbol DLR. Now, this is an Austin-based or Texas-based data center REIT with more than 300 facilities in a large metro area across 23 countries. Now, their 52-week price range is a low of $85 to a high of $178, and the most recent closing price was $111. So there is a lot of room to grow with DLR. It pays an annual dividend of $4.88, which is a yield of 4.4%. Now, that is a great, safe return on your investment. Since 2004, Digital Realty Trust has had a total return of over 1,263%, or an average annual total return of 15%. That kind of long-term return is pretty tough to match in other REIT sectors. Now, this is a data center, which is great. Everybody needs to store information and data across the board. And with 300 facilities, they are able to benefit from those facilities to store all that information. So, how would you like to have 15% profit in a single year on a $111 investment while having a potential upside of over $67? Pretty great. That is a company that I believe would be a strong one to get into. If you want me to get deeper into Digital Realty Trust Inc., or ticker symbol DLR, I can. Drop a comment below and I'll take a deeper dive into this company. Moving on, I've had this company in my portfolio for quite some time, almost going on 8 years now. Essex Property Trust Inc., or ticker symbol ESS. Now, this is a San Mateo, California-based residential REIT, and they own and manage 62,000 apartment units in 253 communities across California in San Mateo. So, along with some retail space in 8 West Coast markets, the U.S. Essex Property Trust was founded in 1971 and launched its initial public offering in 1994. So this company has been around for a very long time. Essex Property Trust has a record of 28 consecutive years of dividend increases, not just paying you out, but actually increasing the dividend over the last 28 years. Now, this has made it into the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrat, which is awesome. That is a pretty high achievement for these dividend companies. Now, according to its website, it was the only REIT to increase its dividend during the recession in 2010. Think about that. 2010, there's a recession going on, and yet it's still increasing its dividend payouts to you. Since 1995, Essex Property has had a total return of 1,800%, or 11.5% per year on your investment. I think that would be a tremendous company to add to your portfolio, and if you want me to do more research or dig deeper into this stock, just leave a comment below. Now, the next one is Realty Income O, and I've had Realty Income O in my portfolio for quite some time now. I'd say probably 10 plus years, and the ticker symbol for this is O. Now, this is a worldwide retail REIT with over 1,100 commercial properties on long-term net leases. Its tenants list mostly comprises of well-known companies like Walgreens, Dollar Tree, FedEx Corporation, and many others. Realty Income is one of the only 65 S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats because it has increased its dividend 117 times in the last 25 years. In addition, it pays its dividends on a monthly basis, which is an advantage for income investors like you and me. We get a monthly payout. Every single month we get paid. So it's like owning 1,100 commercial properties of your own, but you don't have to deal with tenants, you don't have to deal with rents, you don't have to deal with anything. You just put your money in and you take your dividends out. Now, their annual dividend yield is almost $3 for a yield of 4.7%. Now, that is a great, safe return on your investment. Since 1995, Realty Income has had a total return of 1,250%, or just under 10% per year, which is fantastic. Now, the annual dividend yield... Oh, I'm sorry. Whoops, boop, 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 rewind. So, the next one is number 4, and I have one more after that, but the number 4 on the list is CareTrust REIT, or ticker symbol CTRE. It is a San Clemente, California-based healthcare REIT, so this is a different sector, that owns leases and senior housing, skilled nurses, and assisted living facilities. Now, its portfolio consists of 198 properties in 21 states. The CareTrust has an annual dividend of $1.10, which represents 5.5% over the past 5 years. Its dividend yield has grown by 50%. Now, although it hasn't been around as long as these other REITs we mentioned in the list, it has been around since 2014 and has a total return of 122%. With an average annual return of 9.82%, which is great. The 52-week range for this small healthcare REIT is $15.90, and it's gone all the way up to $23.59. So with it closing at $19.88, there's still a little bit of room to make some profit and appreciation, as well as getting those dividend yields every quarter. I believe it is every quarter. So, if you want me to dig more into Realty Income O or into CareTrust Inc., just leave a comment below. Now, last but not least, Prologis Inc. Prologis Inc. PLD is the ticker symbol. Now, this is a San Francisco-based industrial REIT that owns and manages over 5,000 industrial logistic properties throughout the U.S. and 18 other countries. Now, founded in 1983, this company has been a leader in appreciation among REIT stocks. Now, although it pays an annual dividend of $3.16, it is more growth than income orientated. With an annual dividend yield of 2.8%, that is a nice, safe stock to invest in. Now, since 1997, Prologis has had a total return of 588%, or 8% per year, which is just a great, safe REIT to have for your portfolio. Now, while there is no guarantee that these REITs will perform as well or better now, today, in their long run, they have had a past history of great returns. Now, it always makes sense to start building an investment portfolio with leading stocks in their field, which is why I believe these 5 stocks, they should be in your portfolio now and in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button and leave me a comment below mentioning that you liked it. And let me know what other REITs that you are invested in, or if there's any other videos you would like me to take a deep dive and do some technical analysis and some fundamental analysis on that particular stock. I can do so. All right, guys, you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.